Hi guys, welcome to this newly installed system. It's, if you've seen the last video, we've restyled Plasma, and this is what you're looking at, real metal then. Last time it was on VirtualBox. Then you burn the ISO on USB. We recommend, what is it called again? Etcher is one that works on Windows, Mac and Linux, but if you have already ArcoLinux in the house, then we recommend Mint Stick. So you type USB and you have the image writer. So an ISO goes in and then you burn it on USB and then you get this, right? You install everything. And then my story is not finished. There is no system out there that's 100% perfect. So what you do, you make scripts, and mine are on github.com/arcolinux/ArcoLinux-nemesis. And I always edit these things, so I've improved it a little bit more today and I pushed it to the net. So it's all about, in the beginning, right, when you come from Windows or Mac, it's great to have these GUIs, graphical user interface applications, install this, remove that, stuff like that. But we like you to move quite quickly to this thing, a terminal. And in this terminal you can run scripts. And scripts are just a file. It sounds difficult, it's not a file at all, not difficult at all. So you open this thing and you type what you would type in a terminal, right? You just record it like in a Word document, but it's called a script then because it's SH shell and you run it. It's an executable. Basically it's a small application, right? And you can see the properties in here somewhere. Permissions is executable. You can run it. So basically writing small applications. So that's all done. I ran everything and rebooted, and that's the thing, right? You should make any distro out there your own. Removing this sudo pacman -r, maybe a quick round up here, right? -r is removing something. I want to remove Firefox, done, it's gone, right? If you want to remove all the dependencies, then it's an RS. And if you want to install something, then it's an S. I don't think, well, Vivaldi is probably already installed, but min isn't. What's min? Well, min is minimal. And yes, this time around I've made it a ButterFS thing. Min, internet, min. Where are you, min? I didn't see it. Here he is. Come on, internet, up, boom. This is min. Welcome to min. Start browsing or take a tour. What is it? A minimal browser. Alright, so things to install, and from now on it's testing time, right? My system is now installed a lot more, and maybe you should have a look. Maybe there are things you say, oh, what's this, what's that, and then you type in git ahead and you find out what it is, or git fiend here. So let's just go over some applications. Visual Studio Code is here. Flame shots. Nomax is something I like. So all these choices, right? It's just workflow, and that's the fun also in Linux. You're free to do whatever you want. You want to remove Chromium, remove it, right? This is InSync. I can only recommend it. It's paid, but it syncs your Google Drive. So we use it for our ISOs, for example, for the ArcoLinux project. Multimedia stuff. Spotify, I will not put it on the ISO, but I want it. Pay for it. Why wouldn't I want it? Office, WPS Office is not installed. That would be my first choice because of the similarity, like 100% exactly the same as Excel, and that's easy. I mean, I don't lose time. Where is this and where is that? All the same icons, all the same functionality. I'll install WPS Office. Tweak tool is there, of course. Maybe we can do this as an example. The ArcoLinux better log screen is not needed here. Well, the logout screen, the Super X, is normally our thing, but this is Super X. This is beautiful. Why would I replace this with a better log screen, right? So my improvement to the Nemesis script was say, if you're on Plasma, don't install me the ArcoLinux logout git. So now you see in an example of the RS, right? No. Now I do one without the S, without the dependencies. So it's better to do the RS. And if you still need information, read, guys. Read. It's all here, nicely in colors, visually attractive. But I have to read myself all the time. So what was it again, right? Read. pacman. Now it's not removed, right? Control T, arrow up, arrow up, arrow up. That's the one I like. And all of this is gone. Better lock screen, i3 lock, bye. So that's something we saw here, and that's why we jumped to our terminal. So settings here. This will adapt later on. There he is. He read it again. And it's gone now. System. I've installed Oracle. You see VirtualBox there. What was it? Right, VirtualBox. Utilities. Yes, so for the guys, maybe I should make a video about Quantum Manager. I don't think I've done that. Maybe separately later on. Voila, that's it. That's our new thing. And everything is now in black. The dark choices. It is readable, right? There are themes out there that you say, oh my god, I can't read this. But this looks great, and we thank Papyrus team for it. All right, the new system on real hardware. Cheers.